Hey everyone, and welcome to the EV Zone. Are you thinking about buying an electric car but don't know where to start? Is all the jargon and confusion holding you back? Well, get ready to say goodbye to all that. This is the ultimate step-by-step EV buying guide, your foolproof blueprint to walk into any dealership with full confidence, know exactly what to look for, and drive away in the perfect EV for you. We've done all the heavy lifting so you don't have to. Let's make this journey easy, fast, and even fun. Let's get started. You've heard the buzz, seen the headlines, and now you're thinking, an EV, is it for me? But here's the problem. The EV market feels like a tangled web of confusing terms, conflicting advice, and the terrifying fear of making a $50,000 mistake. What if there was a way to cut through all the noise? What if you had a clear, foolproof blueprint that gives you total confidence? Well, today we're giving you exactly that. This is the ultimate step-by-step EV buying guide, designed to take you from interested to informed and help you find the perfect electric vehicle for you. In this EV step-by-step buying guide, we will be covering Step 1, the soul search. What's your driving life really like? Step 2, decoding the EV alphabet. Key terms you need to know. Step 3, the battery is king, range and reality. Step 4, your EV options, finding the perfect match. Step 5, the budget breakdown and incentive hunt. Step 6, the test drive, a whole new experience. Step 7, the final checklist and purchase. If this sounds good and it's something you'd want to watch, stick around as we take you through the ultimate EV buying guide. A unique, specially designed step-by-step guide that will walk you all the way to picking your perfect EV. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped and confident enough to walk into any EV dealership and choose the one that's right for you. No more confusing terms, no more conflicting advice, no fluff, no hype, just the clarity you need to make the perfect choice for your lifestyle. Video disclaimer. First things first. Before we dive into the EV step-by-step buying guide, please note that this video is presented purely as an EV educational and informational guide to help you make an informed decision when buying an EV. The images shown are for illustrative purposes only and have no affiliation with any automaker, brand, or model. I am simply sharing practical insights to help you navigate the EV buying process with confidence. For more details about electric vehicles and verified information, please visit reputable EV resources or official automaker websites. With that said, let's dive in. Step 1, the soul search. What's your driving life really like? Before you look at a single car, you need to understand your own life. This is the most important step. Don't look at specs, look at your habits. A, your daily commute. Be brutally honest. How far do you drive on a typical day? Is it 20 miles? 50? 100? Most EVs on the market today can handle a 200-mile plus daily commute with ease. B, the weekend warrior. How often do you take road trips? Are we talking a once-a-year drive to see the family 300 miles away? Or are you on the road every weekend? This will determine how much you need to care about public fast charging speeds. C, garage or street. The golden rule of EV ownership. Charge at home. Do you have a garage, a driveway, or a designated parking spot? This is a huge factor in whether an EV is right for you today. Step 2, decoding the EV alphabet. Key terms you need to know. The EV world has its own language. You don't need to be a technician, but you do need to know these 3 terms. kW, kilowatts. Think of this as the power or speed of your charger. A higher kW number means a faster charge. kVh, kilowatt hours. This is the size of your battery, like the gas tank size. A higher kW number means more range. A 75 kW battery is a big gas tank. A 40 kW battery is a smaller one. AC versus DC. This is about the type of current. AC level 2, your home charging. This is where your car fills up slowly overnight, like a slow flowing tap. Most home wall boxes are between 7 to 11 kilowatt. DC level 3, your public fast chargers. This is the fire hose. These are the powerful 50 to 350 kilowatt chargers you use on road trips. They can give you a big chunk of range in 20-30 minutes. Step 3, the battery is king, range and reality. This is the most common anxiety point, so let's get it straight. I remember a showroom conversation where they explained that the range of a standard EV battery nowadays is around 450 miles, or about 720 kilometers. That's a perfect example of how the numbers can get confusing. Understanding range numbers. There are 2 main ways range is measured. 1, EPA, Environmental Protection Agency. This is the standard in the US and is often considered the most realistic number for real-world driving. Standard range, Model 3, for example, is rated at around 430 kilometers or 267 miles on the EPA cycle. 2, LTP, Worldwide Harmonized Light Vehicle Test Procedure. This is the European standard and often produces a more optimistic number because the tests are less rigorous. That 450 number you heard, that was most likely a WLTP figure for a standard range model, which can be around 450-480 kilometers. Don't overbuy range. Remember step 1, you don't need a 500 mile range if your daily commute is 40 miles. The sweet spot for most people is an EV with a 250 to 300 mile, 480 kilometers range. It gives you plenty of buffer for unexpected trips. Battery degradation. This happens, but it's not a deal breaker. Modern EV batteries are built to last over 10 years, and most manufacturers offer a separate battery warranty for at least 8 years or 100,000 miles. Don't let old horror stories scare you. Step 4, your EV options, finding the perfect match. The market is no longer just a handful of Teslas. It's now a landscape of choices. Let's break down the categories from cheapest to most expensive so you can find where you fit. The entry-level stars, starting around $30,000, $45,000 USD. These are a perfect entry point. They offer great value and enough range for most daily driving. Look at models like the Nissan Leaf, the Hyundai Kona Electric, and the BYD Dolphin or Atto 3. They are fantastic options if your main goal is an affordable, efficient daily driver. The mainstream mid-range, starting around $45,000, $65,000 of the USD. This is where you find the most competition and a perfect balance of range, performance, and features. This is where the Tesla Model 3 and Model Y dominate, but also where you'll find incredible alternatives like the Ford Mustang Mach-E, Hyundai Ioniq 5, and the Kia EV6. The premium and high performance is starting above $70,000 USD. If you're looking for luxury, extreme performance, or cutting-edge technology, this is your segment. Think of the Mercedes EQ lineup, the Rivian R1T and R1S for adventure, and the Tesla Model S and Model X for their top-tier performance. Step 5, the budget breakdown and incentive hunt. Don't just look at the sticker price, look at the total cost of ownership. Upfront cost and incentives. EVs can have a higher price tag, but check for federal tax credits, state rebates, or local utility incentives. These can knock thousands off the price. Don't leave money on the table. Charging costs. A full tank of gas costs you 50, 60s, maybe more. How much does a full tank of electricity cost? For most, it's a fraction of that, especially when charging at home. You can calculate your annual savings. Maintenance. EVs have fewer moving parts, no oil changes, no spark plugs, no exhaust systems. This means your long-term maintenance costs will be significantly lower than a gas car. Step 6. The test drive, a whole new experience. This isn't like testing a gas car, you're testing a new way of driving. Feel the torque. That instant acceleration is addictive. Listen to the silence. Pay attention to how quiet it is. Practice regenerative braking. This is a key feature. It uses the motor to slow down the car and feed power back to the battery. Test it out and get comfortable with how it feels. It's like a superpower for extending your range. Step 7. The final checklist and purchase. You've done the work. Now it's time to close the deal. Review the warranty for both the vehicle and the battery. Confirm any tax credits or rebates you are eligible for. Ask about the home charger. Many dealers will offer a charging solution package. And finally, make sure you have a charging plan. Where will you charge 90% of the time? Where will you charge for the 10% on the road? So there you have it, the complete no-nonsense EV buying guide. Buying an electric vehicle doesn't have to be overwhelming. By following these steps, you've gone from curious to confident, ready to make the switch. You now understand the terms, know what range really means, and have clarity on what fits your lifestyle and budget. It's time to take action. Research your options, book your test drive, and get ready to join the electric revolution. If this guide helped you, hit that like button, subscribe to EV Zone for more insights, and as always, thank you for watching. See you in the next episode. What's next? The EV world is moving fast, and we'll be back with the next big EV news break as soon as it happens. So stay tuned. This is the EV Zone, where we break it all down for you. No fluff, no hype, just the facts that matter. So, what do you think of this video? We'd love to hear your thoughts. Share them in the comments section below. At EV Zone, we believe open discussions can lead to great discoveries. Here, we consider both sides of the coin and welcome all viewpoints to explore new possibilities. In the journey to accelerate EV innovation, adoption, and a greener world, we encourage our audience to join in and share their ideas. Each of us has unique creative contributions to offer. So if you have something to share, reach out to us and we'll create a video to share it with our audience. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey through the world of EVs. Whether you're an enthusiast or simply curious about the future of transportation, stay tuned for more exciting content on EV Zone. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share. Share this video to support our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Video to support our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.